Welcome to our channel. Experiencing cities like locals enriches your travel and reveals authentic character. Step 1. Research neighborhoods beyond the tourist center where residents actually live. Step 2. Use public transportation exactly as locals do, rather than tourist buses. Step 3. Eat at neighborhood cafes and restaurants away from major attractions. Step 4. Shop at local markets and small stores instead of tourist-oriented shops. Step 5. Learn the local greeting and basic phrases to connect better. Step 6. Visit parks and public spaces where residents spend leisure time. Step 7. Explore during weekdays when tourists are fewer and local life is more visible. Step 8. Ask locals for recommendations and follow their suggestions. Step 9. Dress similarly to residents to blend in and attract less attention as a tourist. Step 10. Participate in local activities like community events or sports. Step 11. Stay in residential neighborhoods through home rentals or local guest houses. Step 12. Adjust your schedule to local rhythms like siesta times or late dinners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.